Hello, it's Andrew here at Life and Piggrow, and today we're going to be sowing Oxeye daisies. Now normally you sow these direct, but we're wanting to create some plug plants, so we're going to kind of emulate how Oxeye daisies sow. So here's my seed. Let's have a look what we're going to sow into. So I've got 3 seed trays here which I'm going to sow into, and I'm going to show you that now. So all we're going to do just take my seed over 3 trays and be really careful because it's a bit windy. You need to get it close as possible. And I'm sprinkling all over. And again. And it doesn't matter if they're clustered a bit, we can thin them out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to keep back about half a seed packet, and I'm going to use that to direct sow. So now what? What am I going to use now? Think about how the seed falls off the plants. It's not covered by earth directly, it's covered by leaf litter and falling foliage, so I'm using just a little bit of vermiculite, and what will happen is that that'll let in air and light for them to germinate, and that will mimic that leaf fall. So there's our 3 seed trays. I'm going to move these down to a bottom shelf because I don't want the vermiculite to be blown away. I'm going to give them a good water, and hopefully we'll have lots of little Oxeye daisies poking through soon. And that's it from Life and Piggrow this week. You can find us here every Saturday in the kitchen or in the garden, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, bye bye.